Hello my friends, welcome back to the jewelry channel. I have a new pretty. Let's see what's inside. It is cooperating today, thankfully. Oh, the excitement. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Wrapped quite well indeed. We like that. We don't want our pretties to arrive scratched up, or as we say in the jewelry industry, abraded. Let's see what's inside. One more to go. Hang in there with me. Oh, beautiful. Oh, you know what, my friends? I think this deserves a black background to really pop. Well, I think that's much better. Have a closer look at our gorgeous citrine ring. So now our center stone is a square cut. It is a 9 by 9. That is quite lovely. Oh, there's really pretty color, saturation showing through. Let's see if it fits. And it does. Oh, so your center stone here is the traditional citrine that we see, but it's flanked or accented by 4 madeira citrine. And that is a label we give to citrines that are more of that warm honey glow. It's quite beautiful together. I would say they really complement each other. You get the warmth of the madeira and the bright glow of the traditional yellow citrine. And oh, that's a very nice size citrine. Very pretty indeed. And I can even see 2 accent diamonds on each side. I'm hoping you can see that, my friends. So it looks like the diamonds total, don't laugh too hard, 0.01 carat total weight, combined, all 4 of them. And then of course we have 2 millimeter madeira citrines. We have 8 total of those, flanking our 9 by 9, traditional is what I like to say, yellow citrine. And you may know that citrine is November's birthstone. Quite lovely indeed. One fun fact is that citrine is actually in the same family of amethyst. I just love to throw in little trivial facts about stones. Well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. It is quite lovely. You know, and I go back and forth between yellow gold and white gold for citrine. I think they made the right decision to go with the yellow in this case. Quite pretty indeed. Well, thank you again, and please be on the lookout for more of my unboxing of pretties.